Hallo Freund, heute ich will anfangen zu lernen Neuwärts und ich kann ja wissen, wie ich anfangen vom wie vom wie mh, Punkt. Ähm, ich will versuchen zu solven ist einfach weg. Ich will machen ist zusammen mit du. Anyway, I'll start to speak English again because um so I done. Anyway, let's get started. So today I will learn about preposition part two. So this is part two, and it was very late lesson. I know that because in these times I'm very busy with the things. So anyway, I would like to explain later about it, but for now just I would like to start it. Okay, so after that we'll discuss it one day. I don't know which day, but just we'll discuss it. Okay, let's get started. So first we have by. I told here ich bin warten Sie bei Auto. It means I am waiting you near to car, I think, right? Near to car. Let's check it. Is that true or false? I think like that. Ich bin warten bei Auto. Let's look at. So if it works. I'm waiting you for you at auto. It is little bit unlogical, maybe. I'm waiting at auto. It is not bad, okay? So in car, if I say it will be good. So I think we can use near too for this situation, but I think another meaning of it is different. So the another one, gegenüber. It means opposite to. So gegenüber mean let's look for the sentence. Sie solle sei sehr kräftig für Finance zu Geld aber nicht gegenüber Industrie. Sie solle sei, you should be very strong for about finance to make to improve to make money, I think. So to what is that? Let me check it. So I didn't know what this means. Use verwenden use me, right? Geld aber nicht gegenüber Industry. So it's opposite sides to industry. Like so, let me picking all of them. Let me pick up all of them. You should be very strong for our finance to use money, but not to industry. Oh, I didn't know like why I did this, but just I'm trying to create some sentences. Because I'm trying to learn this language. Yeah, sometimes if I use some unlogical things, it's incorrect. But yeah, let me do that. Inconvenient way to do it. Right, it's solid. So gegenüber is opposite to. So for the nach, it will be after. Später, also after. I think let me do that. Später, also I think later, right? So that's true. Später, nach. It's all after, later, like this mean. So, wie will sprachen nach irgendwann? Irgendwann? What does mean irgendwann? I forget it. Like what? Sorry. Sometime. Oh, irgendwann.
Irgendwann.
Irgendwann. Yeah. So it means we will speak after some time. But what? So let me check it again. We will contact you sometime. We will speak. Sprachen. Let's say reden. We will talk after some time. Yeah, it will be good. Reden maybe better than sprachen. Sprachen mean also sometimes language. Let's say reden. Change it if you find some point. The another one, but we learned nach after später also after. So another one is seit, right? Seit, since, seit. It means scarce. Seit mean will be like this one. I mean, so if you make it seit, it will be to be. I think when you make seit like that, it will be since. So let me check the sentence. Ich bin leben hier seit 4 Jahren. So it means I'm living here since 4 Jahre. Ich bin leben hier. Ich bin leben hier seit 4 Jahre. Yeah, that's good. So I'm living here since I feel like 4 years. Let me check. Let's put E. I'm living here for 4 years. Now site will be like therefore. I didn't know why it works like that. But anyway, so I don't care. So let me continue. So another one, anstatt. It looks like little bit instead of, right? Anstatt, instead. So it is not for. And after that, when you see this word, then you can understand this is something like instead, or versus. So vice versa, it can be also. So let me think about it. So instead of the same it instead of. But why I did instead of here? This is not mindly. Let's delete it. Let's say and start the uses, the pronunciation, and no, and start. So, let's check the sentences. Können seid möglich, wenn ich betreten, anstatt in, yeah. So, could be, what's möglich? I forget again. Möglicherweise. I did something else before, but possible. Okay. This is possible. Kann es sein möglich, wenn ich betreten, I think, right? So let me check it again. Join. Beitreten, okay. So, kann es sein möglich, wenn ich beitreten anstatt in? So, it means could be possible if I join instead of him. That's true. Maybe I think even it's like her. Maybe for her it will be him. I believe could be possible if I join instead of him. I told you, so it works like that. So okay, answer. Now what we learned by, it means at near among. It will change. Gegenüber, which means opposite to, and then nach will be after or to or später, also same. Seit will be since, for. So anstatt will be instead of. That's perfect. Let's continue. Diesseits, jenseits, beiderseits, right. Let's check the sentence. I know this tree. Come on, slowly. Right here. Okay. Hat ein Auto decides. On this side of, it means he has a car on this side of, like on this side. He has a car on this side. Like, yeah, let me check it. I just did something simple, einfach. But yeah, he has a car on this side, right? So then another one will be as hatte. Hatte is mean what? So hatte mean what? Would have. Okay, this is um this is would have, right. He would have vorstellen. What is it? Oh, I'm coming crazy like that because vorstellen. I know this sentence. I know this word. I'm curious, right? Ich wollte so vorstellen, myself, I don't know how to say self, jenseits. Okay, it's saying he would have introduced And on the other side, but what if we put it in the translate? What it will do? It had. Oh, sorry. As is it. He is will be er. So it had imagined. So this is past tense. It had imagined beyond. That's perfect point. So I really like it. So the another one, the first it was like that, but the last one, yeah, the last one. But before that, let's check it again. It had would have will be had. So exactly, it will be like past tense. You know that, right? So it had imagined beyond. Yeah, that's possible. But what it could be dog, cat. I didn't know, but it will be animated objects. Okay, don't worry about that. Angleichheit auf beiderseits, on either side. Angleichheit auf for like of. What is me? Oh, inequality on both sides. Right. Angleichheit will be inequality. Gleichheit will be equality. All right, I remember. It's unmaking the negative side, right? Now, in English, we're using in like correct, incorrect in Dutch. So in not in Dutch. In German, it will be Gleichheit, will be Ungleichheit, something like that. With when you see you can see like this is negative. Okay, inequality on both sides. Beiderseits mean two side. It will make it both side, right? It's all. So what we learned today by among, at near among, by. It means by. Ich bin warten Sie bei Auto. I'm waiting at like near to out, near to car. The another one gegenüber, opposite to gegenüber. It will be like what in sentences. Sie solle seid sehr kräftig für über Finance zu verwenden Geld, aber nicht gegenüber Industrie. So it means you could be very strong for about finance, opposite to like instead of it can be. So right, but not about industry. So yeah, it's something else. So the another one, gegenüber. I don't think I will remember this one. So nach, after. So später also after. So ich würde, like, let's say, ich wollen sie reden, ich wollen sie reden sie später nach. It's all possible. Ich bin leben hier seit 4 Jahren. The another one, by the way, is we will reden nach irgendwann, some time, right? We will speak you sometime, after some time, right? Ich bin leben hier seit 4 Jahren, ja, seit 4 Jahre. Seit will be here what? I living here since 4 year. For 4 year. It will be seit will be four. Können sein möglich, so which is we are talking about anstatt which means instead. So können sein möglich, wenn ich beitreten, I didn't know how to use beitreten and studying. So can be, could be, could be, what is möglich? Possible. Could be possible if I beitreten join, right? But written is join instead of him. So the another one will be er hat ein Auto this side, and on this side of like which is he has a car on the side. The another one as hatte vorstellen jenseits. Vorstellen. I really forget again. What is this vorstellen? Introduce, right? I remember it right now. So it had introduced on the other side, like anyway, Englischheit auf beide sides. Gleichheit, Gleichheit. What is it? What is it? I forget it. Gleichheit. Um, Gleichheit. Gleichheit. Uh, I really don't remember anyway. It might make me crazy. Right in a quality. Equality, when you put English height, it will be equality of better sides, both sides. So, anyway, it's all. Thank you very much for joining. This is preposition part 2. I would like to see you next learning journey with German because I believe ich will machen, ich will entwickeln mein Deutsch, mein Deutsch Sprachen und ich will Sprache mit du sehr äh, sehr bald. Yeah, that's it. So it's preposition part 2. Thank you very much for joining. Have a very good time.